Listen, Canada. Hey, listen. So with that intro alone, y'all should already know what the deal is. Listen, Tory. You know, listen. Say what y'all will. That boy, man, he cold, bro. He been cold. Just and the fact that he in jail, still putting out hits. Y'all brothers ain't got no excuses. I mean, this song's called S.L.I.D.E. I'm about to see what he's about to do with it. Hold on. I see what he's about to do with this. I'm invested. Let's get to it. Okay. Got the Oakleys on. Got 360. Okay, alright. I put my hand up on your thigh. I let you slide. You let me slide. Okay, I slide. Yeah. I put my hand up on your thigh. I let you slide. You let me slide. Okay, alright. Hey, if this is recording from jail, these engineers need to get an award or something, because that is wild. That is wild. Come on over the side. Want you to slide on me. Sexy for sure. I know. Want you to give all your love to me, baby. 'Cause last night I wanted to be close to you. And last night I wanted to be down to earth. Okay. Last night I wanted you to love on me. Last night I wanted you to know you got the right ones. With that 40 and a Glock on me. And I know that I should be ready to slide some. Come tell me that you wanna slide on me. So where you at? Okay, alright. S.L.I.D.E and come and slide. Hey, he about to have all the aunties and uncles doing this. You get that little two-step, that. Okay. You slide.
Shorty, you cannot be my only. All these tenderonis, not homies. All these sexy gals sure want me. What's your name? It must be your guani. Tati, my gal just went got the new body. Chopped her twice and told her I'm on it. Failed her, then she came and she chopped me.
Hey, listen, don't be sleeping on him like this dude can't do it all. Like don't be like we can't forget that Tory really singing, rapping in jail, mind you. And just come on, bro. Like let's not pretend like this dude is not up there with Drake and them. Like let's not do that. This man just wants to remind you. You thought the only one that could make a Nokia pop song was Drake? I beg to differ. On your thigh. Hey. Let you slide. You let me slide, you slide. Alright. Okay. Up on your thigh. Okay, alright. Okay. Put your hands up. You slide. Okay. Alright.
Nice. This was actually a really good song, y'all. Like, hey, okay, all right. I put my hand up on your thigh. Like, all right, bro. Hey, bro. Listen, bro. We know you. We know you can still make music. We know. Oh, you could get on that Nokia remix. We know that. Cause I'm like, hold on. Cause I know y'all heard it. Like I heard it. I'm like, yo, this sounds like, is it Becky? Is this Nancy? No, it's Tory. But now, listen, y'all. That was a song. Hope that y'all enjoyed the vibes. And if you got any suggestions, please let me know. And hope y'all just having a good day, and understand that when you wake up, you move with an energy that the world is yours, because it is. Honestly, the world is meant to you. So listen, that being said, though, I'll be seeing y'all soon, though, Saints. See y'all next time. Peace.